Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Another class of elementary science, class 5 English version. Our today's topic is energy and matter, which is chapter 5. And you all know that chapter 5 is a bit long chapter, so we have divided into two parts. So today I will be going to discuss about the first part of this particular chapter, which is energy and matter. So dear learners, we all know that our environment is composed of different type of matters, and that matters used to give us energy. So this chapter deals with energy and matter. So first I will be discussing about what is energy. So if you go through this chapter, first of all you have to know that what is energy. So let's learn what is energy. What is energy? So we all know that energy is the ability to do things. Okay, so what purposes do we use energy? We use energy for our everyday life for different purposes. Okay, so how can you identify that which one is used in energy? That particular topic is discussed on energy around us. So what will be known as energy around us? You know, when you will be coming towards the school, you will be riding a bicycle. Can you ride a bicycle without energy? You cannot ride a bicycle without energy. We need energy to run a computer. We need energy to cook food. We need energy to run different type of vehicles also. So energy can change its form as well as its position. Okay, so first of all we will be learning about different forms or sources of energy. You know, where from we get energy? We used to get energy from different sources. Have a look. You have observed that energy is used in your daily lives in different works. So first one, we get energy from different sources. Have a look. This is a coal. We know that coal used to be burnt and it used to give us heat energy and different type of other energies also. We get energies from batteries or different type of generators. Energy can also be get from water. So there are lot of sources of energies from which we get different type of energy, and that particular energies are being used in different purposes in different sectors of our daily life for our daily requirements. Okay, so if we observe closely, we found that the main source of energy, you know, there is a source which is the main source of all the energies, and what is that? That is nothing but the sun. Okay, so the main source of all energy is the sun. Okay, so if there will be a question in your mind, how the sun used to help us? Look, the sun is providing us light energy or heat energy. So by using that light energy, the plants are doing photosynthesis, which is very much important for their life. Without photosynthesis, no plant can survive. By doing photosynthesis, they are producing food, and we are eating plants, and we are getting chemical energy from the plants. By that chemical energy, we can use it as different type of works which we call mechanical energies. So all the energies are interrelated. Okay, so what is the main source of energy? The main source of energy is nothing but the sun. Okay, so look, in this particular slide we can see that forms of energy. Dear students, we know that there are different forms of energy. What are those? Number one, electrical energy, mechanical energy, light energy, sound energy, thermal energy, and chemical energy. Now we will learn these forms of energy a little bit elaborately. Okay, have a look. Forms of energy. Mechanical energy, the form of energy that a moving object produce. Okay, or you can say the energy which is being produced by a moving object, that is known as mechanical energy. Have a look. This is a windmill. The turbine of the wind is moving with the help of wind. Okay, so when it's moving, then it's getting mechanical energy, and by this mechanical energy we can convert it into electrical energy, and that electrical energy can be used in different purposes. Okay, so if you are riding a bicycle while you are coming towards school, look, what type of energy you are getting? You are getting mechanical energy. So the energy which can be get by moving object, that is known as mechanical energy. Okay. Now have a look, electrical energy. This is the most important energy in our daily life nowadays. Without electricity, no devices can function. So it's a very, very important energy. In particular, if we say, look, this energy is used to run electronic appliances such as fan or the TV which I am using to take this class, light, washing machine, as well as different type of electronic devices. So without electrical energy, no electronic devices can run. So this is a very, very important energy in present situation. Light energy. Look, the energy that can create that can create different type of light and helps us to see. Can we see without light? We cannot see without light. So we need source of light. Okay, so have a look. And these are the examples of light. Look, so electric light or the matchstick. Look, so it can pass through, light can pass through different type of transparent matter. You know what is transparent matter? Which is clear matter. So light can pass through that matter. Okay, so we get light energy from sun, electric light, candle, etc. So as I said a little bit ago, that sun is the main source of energy, which also produces us the most valuable energy, which is light. Okay. Now sound energy. As I am taking this class, I am speaking or I am talking, and that sound is traveling towards the phone or the microphone, and that's how the sound is been recording. So sound energy is that particular type of energy which helps us to hear. Okay, so the energy that helps us to hear is called sound energy. Sound comes from the vibration of the objects. It travels through the air, okay, or the other matter. So other matters like solid matter, liquid matter or gaseous matter, in every matter sound can travel by the vibration of objects. Okay. Listen, we also enjoy music by what energy? Sound energy. Okay, moving forward to the next energy, that is thermal energy or heat energy. Look, heat is a form of energy. We get heat energy from the fire of stove or look, an electric iron by which you used to make your school dress or your school uniform iron, right? Okay, so by this particular picture we can understood the transfer of heat in a particular pot or in case of cooking. Look, so thermal energy or heat energy, again if I have to say that what is the main source of heat energy or thermal energy, that will be the sun. That is why we discussed that sun is the main source of all energy. Have a look, chemical energy. Chemical energy remains stored in the food, fuel, coal, etc., etc. So where from we get energy to work? We eat food, and on that particular food the energies which are stored, that is chemical energy. Whenever you are eating a burger or a fast food or vegetables or whatever the food material you are eating, that contains chemicals or different type of vitamins and minerals that used to store energy in yourself, and by using that energy you can walk, you can run, okay, you can play. So the food which we eat, that produces us chemical energy. Look, so as I was saying that after eating food you get the energy to work or to play or to run. So that is known as energy transformation or transformation of energy. So have a look, energy can be changed from one form to another form. The change of energy from one form to another form is known as energy transformation. So have a look. Sun, we used to get light energy or heat energy from the sun. So sun is giving us light energy, and that light energy used to be absorbed or stored in solar panel, and by that solar panel we can use that light energy by converting it into a different form which is known as electrical energy. Okay, so here we can see that the changes of energy, that is why this is a form which is known as transformation of energy. Again, windmill. So by the mechanical energy or by the mechanical form of windmill, whenever it changes, it produces as electrical energy, and by that, using that electrical energy, we can play TV, radio or different type of electronic appliances which used to produce light and sound energy. So look, mechanical energy converting into light or sound energy. Again, as I said a little while ago, if you eat food, in food we know that there are a lot of vitamins and minerals which is known as different type of chemicals. That particular chemicals are converted into what? That used to store in our body, and we get the energy to run or to play or to do fun. So that produces us mechanical energy. So you can see that by these particular pictures, the transformation of energy. For example, as I said a little while ago, I am just reading it out for you. We get solar energy directly as the light and heat, but solar energy can change its forms, as I said. So whatever I said, that is written here. So dear learners, what we learned, that energy can transform. Okay, so the change of energy or the change of form of energy is known as transformation of energy. Okay, so from this particular discussion, I would like to tell you the important questions that will be available in your primary education completion exam, that is PECE. Okay, so the first one is what is energy? That will be known as a short question. Then, as I said, the ability to do things is known as energy. Then what is electrical energy, what is mechanical energy, what is light energy, what is sound energy, what is thermal or heat energy, then what is chemical energy, and the last one is what is energy transformation. These are only short questions, but this short question can also be replaced by adding different questions to make it as a CBQ question or competency based question. Hope you enjoyed the class, and thank you very much for attending the class. We will be joining very soon in the next class. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.